Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be doing a price comparison with JamPlay and Jamorama. Both are websites that you could join to take guitar lessons and learn how to play guitar in the comfort of your home or wherever you're at. Okay, and both are much more cost effective than paying for private lessons with a guitar teacher or guitar instructor, and they're constantly updating their websites so you get more options as time goes on. JamPlay is one of the top ones, and it's the one that I really like. It has a lot to offer for the price. So I'm just going to run through here. The price per year is $159.95. There's also other options. There's a $19.95 monthly, and if you watch their sales, you can get a discount on the annual one. But you have to, just watch their sales. I think they have it one day a year or something like that. But even at $159 per year, with everything that you have access to, it's a great option. Okay, so, and this is JamPlay. They have free access, and then they have a full access for $99.95. But I'm going to show you the differences. Okay, they also have a basic free option. So let's run through this real quick. Okay, so you get a personal profile and access to the Facebook, social media, access to discussion forums, gain field learning with achievement points and badges, and access to their blog. As you can see, you get that with the paid option as well. You get courses for beginner guitar method, stage 1 course, beginner guitar method guitar chords course, and then acoustic maintenance course. And that's what you get for the free option. And then, of course, for the paid option, you get stage 2, you get blues fingerstyle course, lead guitar course, 1-hour workout course, speed picking course, guitar theory course. And then for the pro features, which is included in the paid option, access to supplementary learning materials and printouts, and access to the jam tracks. Okay, so that's all you get with Jamorama. With JamPlay, you get a money-back guarantee, and this is comparison to DVDs that you can buy for guitar lessons and in person, and then YouTube as well. Not really going to worry about YouTube. Number of instructors, depending on what you want to learn, you have up to 125 instructors that you can choose from. Interaction with instructors, they have daily webcam sessions. Professional instructors, they are vetted, and a lot of them you may recognize because they're famous musicians. New lessons daily, structured lessons, learn any style, track your progress. All videos are HD, very good quality, multiple camera angles, accurate tabs, scale and chord libraries, custom jam tracks, interactive games, community where you can interact with the community, and you can learn in your pajamas, your sweatpants, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then over here it just talks about what you get for DVDs and then in person. Okay, now for years my parents spent probably thousands of dollars on guitar lessons for me, and I wish that I would have had access to this. Now, how can you make money playing guitar? Well, there's a few ways. Once you learn how to make money, or once you learn how to play guitar and you get to a point where you feel confident and you think you're pretty good, you can be a street musician. I see street musicians in Athens, Georgia, and in the big towns. They just go out and play, and they have a tip jar, and people come along and give them money. You could also do a YouTube channel and start providing your own lessons and get ad revenue from the ads that you can put on your YouTube videos. You can also create your own music and upload it to iTunes or other places where people can download stuff. You can be your own guitar teacher and you could give lessons in person if you want, or you can do a video series. So there's different ways. You can also become an affiliate for Jamorama or JamPlay and make money promoting it. And you can have a website with a blog. You can talk about your experience, how you got started, why you're passionate about it, and things like that. So there's a lot of different opportunities to make money with guitar. You can sit in on jam sessions. I got a friend who is always invited to sit in with people in their band to play her guitar, and she gets what's called mailbox money. And she goes out to her mailbox a day later or whatever, and there's money in her mailbox. It's really cool, and she loves it. She does very well. So those are just a few ways that you can make money online. So JamPlay, in my opinion, is your best bet. I do have a video where I show the inside, more information about JamPlay. Jamorama is okay, but I think that it's very limited on what you can get, and I don't think, from what I can see, you don't get the options that you get with JamPlay. So you'd be better off paying an extra $50 and getting a lot more and a lot more access to hundreds of songs, thousands of courses, and I'll put a link to that video that shows the inside of JamPlay in the description of this, or it'll come up as a card on the video. So thanks for watching. I wish you the best of luck. And if you want to check into guitars, Amazon has some great guitars. You can go to your local shop, like Guitar Center. They're all over the place. Or just a small mom and pop shop and get you a decent guitar for a reasonable price. It doesn't cost thousands of dollars to get a guitar and a good case. Alright, thanks for watching and good luck to you.